Hey everybody, it's Neil. I got this shirt here. This is a wine red shirt by Hawaii. And I'll show you guys what it looks like here. Oh, it feels nice. Okay, so this is it here. Oops, lost a piece of there. And this is what it looks like there. I'm actually wearing a Hawaii shirt right now too. But this is it. It feels good. It's almost like a moisture wicking kind of fabric. And if you look at it close up, it's got a little bit of a pattern to it. So, and I think I got a large. I do have a large. So I'm gonna try this one on and you guys can see how it looks on me and give you an idea of what it looks like. Sorry, you have to see my body there, but okay. So this is it here. It's slightly formish fitting, but it's nice long sleeve. So I like that. It's good size on here. And the sleeves are nice and the right length. So if I put my arms out, I'm about 5'10" and about 190 pounds. And you can get an idea here. And here, when I stand back here, you can see how long it goes. It goes down to, sorry, my shorts have a tie on it. But it's, it goes down to palm size on there. So this is nice. And this is what it looks like from the back. It's good. And I like the color, wine red, really cool. I like this color, it's a good color. So I could use this one here for exercising even because it is kind of a good stretchy shirt, and I could just use it for wearing around and looking buff. But there we go. So I really like this one. This nice shirt, and it was Hawaii and really good. Thumbs up for me.